Welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, that's right, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. So today we're gonna be playing around with a little bit of JT Melick. You know, I've talked about it all the time. It is my favorite vodka, hands down, of any I've had, and I've had plenty. So a little bit about JT really quick. It's got a nice little body to it. Slightly sweet because it's not over distilled. Incredibly smooth. This is the smoothest vodka I've ever had. So we'll be doing a cocktail with this today, and I'm calling this the Providence Spritz. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this build. So of course, you're gonna need JT Melick vodka. You could use something else, but I promise you it will not taste as good. So we're gonna go with 2 ounces of our rice. You can use something else, but I promise you, it won't be as good. So we're gonna start off with 2 ounces of JT Melick Louisiana rice vodka. That's amazing. So next, we're gonna go with 1 ounce of a ginger lemongrass syrup. In my empty JT Melick bottle. So what I did is I took 4 stalks of lemongrass, chopped that up, put that in a pot of water with 2 cups of water, took a 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled that, chopped that into chunks, threw that in there, boiled it, let it simmer for about 10 minutes afterwards, cut the heat, let it steep for another 10 minutes, then I added 2 cups of Allulose. So 0 net carbs, and it's delicious. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of our lemongrass ginger simple syrup. So next, we're gonna go with 1 ounce of lime juice. So we got a cutting board and our lime. Now 1 ounce of lime juice is gonna end up having 2 grams of carbs. So far, we're only at 2 grams of carbs. Let's juice our fresh lime juice. And there we go, look at that, nice juicy lime. 1 ounce and just a half a lime, that is great. So there we go. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and prep my garnish as well. So we're just gonna be doing a lime wheel. So make it kind of thin, not too thick, about, a little over 1/8 of an inch. And then we're gonna cut this from the center down. And we'll show you what we'll do with this in a minute. So let's put this all down here. So in here we have our JT Melick vodka, our lemongrass ginger simple syrup, and our lime juice. So we're gonna add some ice to this and give it a good hella shake. All right. So next, grab yourself a martini glass, and we're gonna double strain this. And that is using our Hawthorne strainer and our fine mesh strainer. We wanna make sure we keep all those little ice chips out that broke apart. And there we go. And last, to make it the Spritz, some bubbly. I like Prosecco, just the flavor it adds rather than champagne. So we're gonna be topping this with a little bit of Prosecco. Just enough to fill the top of your glass. And now that garnish, go back to that garnish we talked about. When you get that lime, where you section in the middle, we're gonna go ahead and turn it so it kind of makes like an S with your pick. So we'll pick in one side, make that little S turn, pick it in on both sides. So now you have this really nice little S-style garnish. And of course, JT Melick, living in South Louisiana as well, you gotta have a fleur-de-lis cocktail pick. And there you have the Providence Spritz. Let's go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna spill this. I always worry about martini glasses. And the way they're shaped, they splash and spill real easy. But man, that is so refreshing, so light. A perfect intro to spring cocktail. Man, this is this is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And I have tried this with lemon juice, and that lime juice is so much better rather than a lemon juice. Also, thank y'all for watching. And if you want to know when I put out a new video, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit that little bell icon, and you'll know every time I put a new video out. All right, guys, y'all have a great day, because I'm already having a great day with just one sip. See y'all later. Cheers. Oh, Providence Spritz. That's amazing. Hoopy doopy doo, amazing, amazing, yeah.